how to fix Google Chrome browser. Slow downloading speed. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you increase your browser speed up to 10x or even more. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Hascree and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Chrome browser and tap on these three lines here in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Here you need to tap on System. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Turn this off. Then open a new tab. Here type Chrome://flags and press Enter. And you will head to this page. Here you need to find parallel downloading. If not found, you can search as well. From here, change it from default to enabled. Your changes will take effect the next time when you relaunch Chrome. So we will press on relaunch. Now our setting has been successfully saved. Now you will download anything you will experience high downloading speed. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.